Seven Thunder 83 here, and I'm back with another video of Clash of Clans. And right now I'm just waiting for my troops to get done. Also, I have a new quick train. If you look right here, 53,000. I do not know. Then I will have. So once I upgrade my slow factory, I'll get this. They have two housing space. A jump spell, I believe. Yep, this takes 2. This takes 1. This takes 1. This takes 1. Alright, so all the ones over here take 2. These take 1. Yep, and then these take 1. Should be. Yep. Alright. So yeah, that is my quick train. I did get rid of some so I could gem up my troops in Rojas in the last army that I had. But now now that I have a base that's actually ready to defend, I can, well, defend. As obviously, but yeah, so Clan Wars, I'm in. Alright, let's see this. 2 champions, 2 masters, 4, and then that would be. I'll be in 27th place. You want you to join our clan? Awesome. Yep, I was in a clan called Clan Awesome. But yeah, guys, I have the really bad calls right now, so I'm gonna have to go. Sorry, I couldn't make a video, but I will make a makeup video for this, and I will see you later. Bye.